Okay, so guys, at any point of time you are not able to hear me, or you feel that I am going too fast, or you are not able to follow, please let me know. Okay, that is very important. I want, though we may be sitting in different parts of the country, but through technology we are connected. So I want all of you to utilize the technology in the best way. Okay, I don't want you to simply note down whatever I am writing and simply listen to it and wind off the class. Okay, I want it to be as interactive as possible. Please don't hesitate to stop me, ask any queries, and there is no doubt called as a silly doubt. Okay, that is very important. Clear to all of you? Good. Okay, fine. So first let us see what is the weightage for this from GATE point of view. For GATE, if I look at past say 10 to 15 years papers, in past 10 to 15 years paper, if I look at the weightage and take average, the average weightage for signals and systems is roughly from 6 marks to say 11, 12 marks. This is the range which signals and systems comes in GATE. Okay, around 6 to 12 marks is the weightage. Okay, and regarding the reference material, this is very good book. Signals and Systems by Oppenheim and Schaeffer. This book is very good. And the other one is Digital Signal Processing by Proakis and Manolakis. This book is also very good. This book is also really very good book. Apart from these two, there is something called as Shawm's Outline Series. This Shawm series, not only for signals and systems, for what all subject you are reading for GATE, be it analog electronic, be it digital electronic, be it signals and system, control system, what all topics you are reading in GATE, Shawm series is available. This is, and the very good part about Shawm series is, it is available online. You can download it from, you can do a Google search and download this. It's available online. Okay, you can do a Google search and download it. Guys, please practice problem from this. This is going to be very, very useful for your preparation. Shawm series is very useful for your preparation. It's very important. Please practice problem from Shawm series. It's very important. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now let's get started actually. Let's actually get started. See, my class will be this way, okay? I will not teach you something for the sake of GATE. Subject concepts are very, very important. The class will be completely concept oriented. Concepts are very, very important. Okay? We are not going to study any subject for GATE just because अरे ये नहीं पढ़ा तो गेट में 5 नंबर की वाट लग जाएगी. No. No, that is not the way we are going to study for GATE. We will understand the practical importance of this topic. Signals and systems, why we need. Fine. So, हम कोई भी टॉपिक देखो, सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम्स सब्जेक्ट के एक अपने महत्वपूर्ण चीज है. गेट में आईआईटी ने, आईआईएससी ने ये सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम्स आईआईटी में इसीलिए नहीं, गेट में इसीलिए नहीं रखा, अगर सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम नहीं होता तो वो 5 नंबर का क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछ पाते. इसीलिए अरे यार थोड़ा 5 नंबर एडजस्ट करना ही, कोई भी टॉपिक से उठा लो, ठीक है, सिग्नल्स एंड सिस्टम्स अच्छा है, वहां से उठा लेते. No, this is not the reason why signals and system is there in GATE. There is a practical importance of this subject. We should understand why we are studying this and how we are going to use it for GATE and for our future. That is after GATE, whenever we are going to enter into MTech or MS or whatever it is, how to use this. That is very important. Clear? Fine. Now what is signals and system? What do you mean by this? Let us start with a very basic analysis. There is some system, I am giving some signal to it called x of t, and I am getting some output from the system called y of t. Now, what is the relation between y of t and x of t? What is the relation? This is what we are going to study throughout this subject. And why we should study this? One classic example right now I can give it to you is, if this was not analyzed and your system was not designed properly, मैं अभी जो बात कर रहा हूं वो आप सुन नहीं पाओगे, because what I am talking is a signal that is getting converted into an electrical signal by this microphone, getting telecasted